In this video, I'm going to show you in just a couple of minutes how to build a dashboard that's going to solve probably 80% of the requirements that you get. It's going to be nice and simple, but it's going to work great. Here's how you do it. Go ahead and connect to the Superstore dataset so you can follow along. The first thing we're going to do is build a time series. Right-click on the order date field and drag it to the columns. I'm going to choose continuous months because I want to look at the data by month and year. Click on OK. And then drag sales to the rows. And now we have our trend of sales over time. Double-click on the Sheet tab and call it Sales by Month. We want to do something similar, but with profit. Right-click on Sales by Month and duplicate the sheet. Drag the profit field on top of the sales field on the rows to replace it. Let's then change the mark type from automatic to a bar. And drag profit to the color to accentuate the months that are unprofitable. Rename this sheet Profit by Month. Create a new sheet. Let's drag subcategory to the rows and sales to the columns. And this is going to show us sales by product. Click on the Sort Descending button, and then for the view, change it from standard to entire view. But we can add a bit more context to that by dragging profit onto the color. Now we could see, for example, that tables is the 4th highest selling, but it's also unprofitable. Rename the sheet Sales and Profit by Product. Let's create one more sheet. This time we're going to look at profit by state. Double-click on the state field to create a map. Drag profit onto the color, and now we can rename this sheet Profit by State. We're going to clean up this view a bit by right-clicking on the map and choosing Background Layers. Drag the washout over to 100% and close that window. Now we build our dashboard. Click on the Show Dashboard Title option. Let's rename this sheet our Performance Dashboard. We're going to start by dragging sales by month into the view. To the right of that, we're going to drag in our profit by month. Drag our sales and profit by product underneath of the line chart of sales by month. And lastly, drag the profit by state under the profit by month chart. Let's click on this section and remove it. Choose Delete Containers. Now all we need to do is add a bit of interactivity. Let's go on to the sales by product and choose the Use as Filter option. Let's choose the profit by state and choose the Use as Filter option. So now I could click on tables and I can see the performance of tables over time. I can also see which states are unprofitable. Click on Texas, and now I'm looking at Texas and tables across months for sales and profit. You'll be able to use this example for about 80% of the dashboards you need to build.